You guys, I have some exciting news that's related to the 3D printer. If you remember, I've been saving for the Bambu Lab for the last months or so. It is time, baby. It is time on the actual Bambu website. This is not a sponsor or anything from them. This is not a paid product. This is a product that I bought myself that I'm going to be buying tomorrow. We're going to be getting these shelves printed. I've been hearing really good stuff about the Bambu Lab. I've been comparing my experience with the Ender 3. As you can see, some of the prints here in this video. This is one of the previous videos that I've made, which will be linked in the description of this short, quick video. So we have a lot more shelf project videos coming, which I'm excited about. You have no idea how excited I am at the moment. I counted my money tonight, and it is gonna happen very soon. My guess next week, because I'm ordering it tomorrow, and it'll probably take a few days for the printer to arrive. I can't believe I'm actually saying that. I cannot believe I'm actually saying that. Guys, I will see you then. In fact, before I go, I want to thank everyone for sticking by my channel. And not unsubscribing. I know majority of you have stayed, and I really, really do appreciate it. So I will see you when the printer comes. Can't believe I'm saying that.